somebody was asking me, do your kids fight when you're there? And it just doesn't seem like your kids fight.
Never.
People that watch our videos, do we fight?
Sometimes. Never.
I hate the look at my face. I hate.
Yeah, mine looks extremely red and yours looks like
It's
bright
when I
yellow.
use the rear-facing camera. It's so bizarre.
Are you eating a snack before dinner? You're about to start the fight now.
Yeah.
We fight like normal kids fight.
That's
But
my uniform.
I don't know if normal kids fight as much as we do.
Normal.
They fight a lot.
All I can compare it to is what I did as a kid.
Yeah.
We fought every day. My parents got upset with us every day for fighting.
Every single day. And my mom would say
You
to
had
us
a
every single day.
I have to tell these guys, you had 5 brothers. Joel is
5
the
brothers.
youngest of 5 boys.
Oh, I thought you were going to say
And your mom
smartest.
said what?
She said, my brothers never fought. Why do you fight every day? And I'm positive that is an outright lie.
Well,
There's
only-
zero chance.
We need to ask her
I
brothers.
believe I've asked Uncle Scott and Uncle Steve, did you guys fight growing up? And they'd be like, yeah. And my mom would be like, no, they never
That's
fought.
because your mom has such a love for her siblings that she remembers the good, and that's a good thing.
So because we remember the fighting, we don't love our siblings?
Okay.
Dad, for my birthday, I want one of those.
Of course you do. Of
If they
course.
made one in
Boston
yours, if they made one truly in my size, I'd get you it.
does. Yeah,
but
that's a little big on
I need
you.
to like hem it here.
Mom, I could wear that with my
They make a
overalls.
leather one, and I want it so bad. And they make a
What?
denim one too. James has the denim one.
So 1 year for, what was it, Father's Day
Well, let's
or birthdays?
let's back it up a little bit.
Okay.
We went to Hayburn the first year ever with James and Kim and your parents, and they saw James's one of these.
That's right.
And from then on, your parents gave everybody one of these, all the son-in-laws and son, one of these for like their birthday or whatever, and it was perfect
Birthday, that's
present.
right. So when we cook, especially out on the Blackstone, that's what Joel wears. For dinner tonight, we're gonna cook up the fish that our neighbor gave to us because ours went bad,
Okay, now wait.
which we shared with them in the last video. So if you want to know the whole fish dilemma saga, I'll put that video in the
It's
description.
an honest fish story, not a fake fish story.
Yeah, it's real.
But here's the thing. I don't think I showed Bonnie this. Every time we put this away, like your Blackstone has to be covered or whatnot, or dust gets on it, whatnot. But I found this little ditty, and I will link it. Look, it's like a silicone. Blackstone doesn't make this,
It's so
but it
rubbery.
fits it perfectly.
Okay, but it's still doing that little rusty.
No, it's not.
Oh,
It coats it. It's just the oil on
Oh,
there.
that's nice.
And it
I have
leaves
to
it
put
so
your
that,
stuff on it.
yeah, before I couldn't put anything on here. Now I can stack the grill stuff in here and tuck it away.
So, question: would this silicone thing fit our Blackstone that we have at home? That's not on this like slide out thing.
It'll fit any Blackstone. They have them for whatever dimensions you have. I'll link it.
Okay, all right.
I'll link it down below. This is one of my finds, and I liked it.
We have a Blackstone at
The same
home. It's the exact same size and everything. It's just on like legs. So I'll put the Blackstone in the description too because they are so nice to cook on. Oh my gosh, are you in your seat? Are you in your seat? You are in your seat.
She's like trying to wag her tail, but it's like shaking.
I know, it's more like a nervous wag.
probably ate
what a
something she
cutie. Yeah, probably. She's probably over there eating rocks. You ought to go turn our lights on, Olivia. This is kind of our setup outside. We don't eat at that table as often as I would like to because of the no-see-ums.
And it's too far back.
Oh, Olivia, you left the door open, Goofy. We don't like the bugs coming in, so we try to keep the door shut behind us quite a bit. Yes,
Okay.
okay.
I found this and I wanted to try it. Oh, because I can already feel them on my face.
Can you?
And I
I'm
was
gonna
at
put
that
these on
for
my
a
legs
second.
right now then. Okay.
I'm going to.
Everything we've tried has not worked. And everything that we've tried, people are like, this is the only thing that worked. This is the only thing that worked. And it never works. This stuff goes, like you can see it like rubs in and it turns not watery,
But kind of shiny.
but kind of shiny, and it doesn't have a stinky smell to it.
Well, I
And
kind
so
of.
it's easy to use, and it actually just works. And our boating friend showed this to us, and I'm a believer.
I
So,
really hope it. Because Boston, yeah, poor Boston, his legs are
legs.
chewed apart.
I'm gonna go find him and show you his legs.
It's bad. Mom had me sit on the chair and then use a other chair for Boston to stand on so I could put bug stuff on it.
The grill lighter, Bon?
Yeah, so these are Boston's legs, and the front isn't too bad. But when you turn around, he sat in the sand for just a few minutes, and this is what happened. So I went to the pharmacy today. We called our doctor and we got some prescription strength, like have you been scratching these, Boston?
Just a little bit. Last night, not at all.
Yes, you did.
Not loud.
I can see
Just barely in the room. I was scratching them and then
Honey, you're
I got
causing.
your stuff for you.
Yeah. So I've got some stuff we need to put on them.
Also,
but
did you notice
Be careful with
notice what?
my outfit?
Turn around. Let's
One thing
see.
I love about it is because there's a duck and it has a bow tie.
Yeah, I do see the duck, and that duck has a bow tie. Turn around. Show them the back of your shirt. Tell me that's not such a cute shirt. Very nice outfit, Boston. Joel likes to set up a baggie right here. This is his. Oh, that is a terrible.
How did I do it last time?
I don't know, but it stayed last time.
Dad, you put it, Daddy.
Oh, I did one of them. That's right.
you put them like through it and then you put it over.
One went
Oh,
through and the other one I couldn't.
I know how to get the other one
nice.
done.
There
Yeah.
we go.
Actually, I'd because it kept on blowing up.
Nice.
Anything?
You could twist it. Yeah, I think you twisted it through. Anyway,
Leave it alone, kid.
so we've got a garbage station.
Hey,
Paper
I need
towels
one
are a
more.
must.
I need one more
One more. Okay, Cody, go grab a plate.
because these are huge things.
They are, and I'm excited.
I think he called it Tau Tau or Blackfish. Like the name is Tau Tau.
And he caught it in, what harbor was it, did he say?
Up by Long Island.
Long Island, that's right. Long Island
And he said
is
that
where he caught these.
It's called Blackfish. And he says it's the best eating.
Really?
Yeah. So
I guess only time will tell. So we're gonna cook these up and we'll let you know if they're good or not. So we pat them dry with paper towels first. Put them in our garbage sack. We like to keep everything really clean because I'm paranoid of who knows what we're gonna transfer or whatever.
I think with fish, it's funny how you can eat fish raw, but yet like you have to be so careful with
Careful.
it. I mean, it's just because fish has such a turning point, I guess.
Really? We do not know. We're not the experts. We're just kind of winging it here. While the kids are back there pretending to fight for the video. We're gonna toss these or just rub a little bit of olive oil on the top of these.
Smooth
And do you just do that so they don't stick to the grill mostly? Because they don't need olive oil.
I think it helps. It helps bond your seasoning to it, and it does help it not stick. So I think it's kind of both. Yes, please open that.
I heard you even saying. I don't know.
Okay. I
Cooking
don't want
dinner
to set
outside.
this on.
You
we
just
told-
use that plate. It's
Okay.
okay. I will just. And okay, this might be a little weird too. I don't want to use my new cutting board for meat, and so we just use the paper plates for meat. And I kind of like it because you don't have to worry about cleaning it. You just throw that away.
Well, and with fish, it's like I don't want.
I don't know. And we're outside, and it's just what works. It's easy.
No, I save these and eat off of them. That's perfectly good. You can wash that.
Really?
No.
Joel, I'm in love with your hair. So many nice comments about Joel's hair. People either love it or hate it though. Some people, like, the first thing your mom says is, you need a haircut.
You need a haircut. That's all right.
So your mom votes for short hair, but a lot of people in the comments like his long hair.
I liked it when it was
Cut
like
or
starting
leave?
out. Should I cut or leave my hair?
Dad's. Cut or leave?
Leave.
Leave? Okay, cut or leave?
I don't know. I liked it when it was like just starting to grow out.
Oh,
'Cause It
really?
looked like Jim Halpert.
That's true.
I like it more down, like
Long?
Yeah, I was thinking that the other day. I was like, I cannot picture Dad without long hair anymore. Like,
Okay,
it
leave.
just
Cut or
matches
leave? Cut or leave?
My hair. You're just saying
he's
that.
just saying that.
Cut.
it. No, I think
You guys have the same haircut.
Like a girl.
He doesn't look.
look like a girl.
Okay, do you look like a girl?
Yes.
He
No.
looks morally manly with that
He
haircut
just-
than you.
Yeah, I feel like it matches you.
He just knows it's a beautiful haircut. On
I
him, and
love
he
your
doesn't wanna
haircut
share it.
long. I love your haircut long.
He's good out like your
It's a
hair.
fun phase.
I like it.
Cody. He said, I'm growing out like yours and curl it.
Well, if anyone cares, my vote is Oh, they're both so good. I say leave it for now.
Yeah.
We need family pictures with it
That
long.
was my only request.
And I saw a picture. We're not actually doing.
Not anytime soon, but
Oh, okay.
before we cut it,
I have some
want a set of.
swimsuits that I want a picture in. So our next family picture is going to be the long hair in our swimsuits. Okay, next step is Cajun seasoning. I love Cajun on fish. I think it's really good.
And steak. It's pretty good.
And steak. I love Cajun seasoning. You only do one side.
No.
You like it on
You
both.
do.
Do
It
both.
tastes
Why do
better
you think it
with both.
tasted so good?
My kids do not share my opinion on anything.
You lose so much of it to the grill already, so
Yeah, that's true. But it's very spicy.
Really?
I mean, not very, a little. It does a little
I
tang
loved
to it.
how
like it.
spicy it was.
Grill is hot, but not hot, right? Like you're just cooking on medium high. Is that what you think?
Yeah. I turn it all the way up to get the grill hot when it goes down, but then you kind of like turn it down to medium to keep it
That's
going.
what I do in the shower to get it going fast. Hot water fast. Oh yeah, I turn
Just
it
all
the way
hot? Yeah,
And
yeah.
then once it starts. No, you get burnt. I turn it cold. I like cold showers.
I know Boston does like cold showers actually. He said he practices them.
Like a cold
I
plunge.
used to go for like 10 minutes of school and go. Now I just like shower in cold. Oh, I'll go warm.
Well, if you're
and then when
RVing,
I'm done, I'll be like 40
The showers are going to have some cold to it.
I'm asking this question for the sake of conversation. I know I can Google this. I just haven't Googled it yet. I was watching a video of Jason, show what was in the stomach of a fish, and he pulled something out that he didn't know what it was. But then in another video of his, I saw that he pulled the same thing out of the stomach, and he was like, oh, these are parasites. So the fish had been on ice for a while, but the parasite was still alive inside the fish's stomach.
Yeah, we saw the video.
What kind of fish was it?
It was
was a
disgusting.
wahoo.
Well,
It was a wahoo.
that's irrelevant.
Oh.
But
It's a wahoo.
my question is if it has a parasite in its stomach, does that affect the meat
That's
on the
yes,
fish?
you'll see them in the meat.
Well,
it-
no, because in the meat there was no parasites in the meat. It was just like a fat, muscle-looking parasite in the fish's stomach.
I don't know. When we went fishing the other time,
We saw bones.
they said, he's like, you'll see parasites in the meat itself. He's like, you can't keep
Yeah,
that fish.
and that would obviously mean that the fish is, or that the meat of the
Is no
fish is
good.
bad. But what if it's just in the fish's stomach?
Then it's probably not, the meat's not bad, maybe. I don't know.
I don't know. I need to Google it. So you flip it when what? When it's halfway
Really, I do
white
it when I
through?
start seeing the white come through. I could probably let these go a little bit longer, maybe.
We like our fish cooked all the way through just because
Yeah, I do not like a medium fish.
I love fish, but I can't do like raw
Undercooked.
that's just my personal preference. The other day we did fish tacos, and so I've got leftovers, but I don't know how much of everything I have. So this is a cilantro lime rice, but it didn't cook as good. Coconut cilantro lime rice. It is delicious. The taste was so good, but it kind of is mushy.
I kind of like it though, because it's kind of like not mushy, but it's like a little wetter, but I kind of like it.
Yeah, and I just don't, it didn't turn out the way it usually does, and you can see I don't have a whole lot of it. So we're just going to eat up what we have, and then we'll have like a fun dessert tonight or something.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I've got, so that's what we're gonna go with. And then I have this salsa. It's mango, pineapple, cilantro. It has orange juice, lime juice.
That makes it. The orange juice is so good in it.
And I want everybody to eat this up all gone, so that's why I'm plating it this way instead of in a taco. So we do have stuff for shells later, but I want to eat this up first. I want them to be full on this stuff because it's really good. And
It's so, so good for you though. The way that this
Oh,
is
yes.
made, this is incredible.
I put the recipe on my Instagram, which I'll put a link for it in the description. You did a good job. Parasites, Lincoln, oh my gosh. Okay, don't teach your kids about parasites because then they're gonna be like paranoid about it the whole time. That looks delish. While the kids are over there, maybe we should just run away. I really like our time with them, but we've had a lot of time with them.
a lot of small square footage with them.
Are you putting her in the house? No, she wants to be out here with us.
She's just running around eating rocks.
Okay, put her in the house. I think she's gonna bark at us the whole time. That's a good solution. Olivia is a good caretaker to her baby. I'm pretty proud. Oh, they thought it was a picture. Okay, cheese.
Oh, I thought it was a picture.
No, it's a video. I want to know what everybody thinks of it.
Lady, come.
That's really good.
I want more.
Lady, come.
There is a tiny bit left on the grill, but like not a lot.
Lady, come.
You can use the tortillas to put your stuff in if you want to, but
Yeah, I want to do that.
Chips. That's the best part.
I guess to close the vlog, we're gonna give the lady a little piece of meat, a fish.
Yeah, good girl. Soft.
That was not soft.
Soft.
Good, soft.
How good is that?
Chewed on it for 2 seconds.
Uh-oh.
All right, good night, everybody.
Can't enjoy food like
Can you guys say good night?
Night.